Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can open a PayPal account in the US. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and type in paypal.com/us/home, and you should see this on your main screen. Then, on the top right corner, click on Sign Up. After that, you would be given two options to either start a personal account or a business account. Choose the one that you prefer and then click on Get Started. And then people will ask you to input the email that you wish to connect or link this PayPal account. Once you've done, click on Next. The next step would be to add a phone number that you would link this PayPal account. So put in your phone number, then click on Next. People will then ask you to verify that number through a text message or through a voice call. And once you're done, your PayPal account is now verified and ready to use. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!